Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah. How are you?
Thank you. Okay, let's start. Now I will show you some pictures. You watch it and discuss what are these pictures about. You're doing it in your groups and you have 1 minute for this task. Okay?
Okay.
So what are you going to do?
We are going to discuss.
How much time do you have?
1 minute.
Okay. Are we talking each other?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start. Okay. Thank you. So, your group, what do you think about this?
We think that it's about telephone's invention, and it was invented in 1878.
Okay. The invention of the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Your group.
Yeah, it's Graham Bell. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. He is the first person who invented the bell.
Okay.
Like a call tower.
And your group?
And also I think that it's Alexander Graham Bell and his first invention, the telephone.
Okay. Does everybody agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So today's topic, the invention of the first phone, is Mr. Alexander Graham Bell, and he invented the first phone in 1876. So Alexander invented the phone in 1876. Can we repeat it together?
Alexander invented the phone in 1876.
Okay, one more.
Alexander invented the phone in 1876.
Shout them, please.
Alexander invented the phone in 1876.
Okay, Julia.
Alexander invented the phone in 1876.
Okay. Okay. Alexander invented the phone in
1876.
Okay, thank you. See, what do you think? What is that in the sentence? Plus. This part. Plus. Okay. Subject. Simple past and plus object. Okay. Alexander invented the phone in 1876.
Yes.
Okay, past simple. We use past simple to talk about things happened in the past, are finished, and no connection with the present. And we usually know when it happened. We usually know when it happened. Is the action in the past?
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
And
in the sense we see the time.
Okay, thank you. Is there a connection with the present?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay. And is the action finished?
Yes.
Okay. Do we know when it happened?
Yes.
Usually we know. Okay, thank you. So as I mentioned, it's used to talk about things that happened in the past, are finished, and have no connection with the present. Thank you. We have a short story about the invention of the phone. Now you look at the text and highlight the words in the past form. You're doing it individually and you have 3 minutes. What are you going to do? Okay, I can.
So we underline all the words in the past simple.
Okay. Are we talking to each other? Okay. Group work and say then how much time do we have? Okay.
Take one.
Pass.
Take one.
Pass.